Welcome to the Westshore Marina District, McElroy Avenue townhomes. This is unit number 5 with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, almost 2,300 square feet. On the first floor, you'll find a full bedroom and bathroom, and then you'll go upstairs to the open space with stunning hardwood floors throughout. Built in 2019, you're going to have custom upgrade finishes, including this island that has a waterfall edge counter, wine refrigerator area, stainless steel appliances, the hardwood floors that lead to the open space to your Terps patio. Upstairs is a nice layout. You have a full bathroom in this bedroom. Hi, that's me, your Westshore Marina District Realtor. And then you have the primary suite, which hardwood floors continue throughout, me again, and this huge closet. You have actually another closet in here if that wasn't enough for you. Check out this extra space. And then of course, your bathroom with double sinks, stand-up shower. Oh honey, can you wash the laundry for me? Because it's right next to the bedroom. Now let's take a stroll to the Westshore Marina District. This is only a couple minute walk and you're right next to all the shops. You can get your hair done, your nails done, or if you're hungry or would like a drink, stop by Quench. There's Vela right there. You can even get a nice coffee. Then you're right on the water. End your day and check out the sunsets on the water.